At Bharat Mandapam in Delhi, President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the National Conference on Ensuring Everyday Essentials, Public Services and Dignity for All. In her address, she emphasized that universal human rights are the foundation of a just and compassionate society. Murmu highlighted India's historic role in shaping the global human rights framework, noting that freedom fighters envisioned a world rooted in dignity, equality and justice. She invoked the ancient Indian value of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world as one family, as a reflection of universal rights. Stressing India's sustained commitment, she pointed to the country's unopposed election to the UN Human Rights Council for a 7th term beginning in 2026. Murmu underscored that peace and justice are inseparable and India's constitutional vision ensures rights are both protected and celebrated.
Murmu ji to kindly address us and show us the future path. जोरदार तालियां माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया के लिए.
Chairperson of National Human Rights Commission, Shri Justice V. Ramasubramaniam ji. Members of National Human Rights Commission, Dr. Justice Vidyut Ranjan Sodangi ji, Mrs. Vijaya Bharati Sayani, Secretary General Shri Bharat Ral ji, UN Residence Coordinator in India, Mrs. Arati Sayani ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Johar, good morning. I am happy to join you all for commemorating the Human Rights Day. It is an occasion to remind us that the universal human rights are unalienable and they form the bedrock of a just, equitable and compassionate society. 77 years ago, the world came together to articulate a simple yet revolutionary truth that every human being is born free and equal in dignity and rights. India played an important role in shaping a global framework of human rights. Our freedom fighters envisioned a world rooted in human dignity, equality and justice. Hansabehen Mehta, one of the 15 women members of our Constituent Assembly, was also a member of the group engaged in the drafting of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. She suggested a foundational change to the draft. She ensured that the rights enshrined in that global charter were expressed not in terms of the rights of men, but in the inclusion and universal expression rights of all human beings. That such a historic shift was brought about by the expansive vision of an Indian woman is a matter of enduring pride for every Indian. Thus, India embraced the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a co-creator of a universal moral covenant which resonated deeply with our